Hi. This morning I would like to talk about what I did, what I made a great mess in the kitchen. I found in the TV program how to make the boiled egg very easily, and I tried a few times. I succeeded, and this morning I tried, but after I broke the shell of the egg, the inside, the yellow part was not hardened yet. So I thought, since I broke the shell outside, so I put it in the range. Is it a correct word? Range. And I figure out 1 minute or 2 minutes. So I put it anyway and watched from the outside. And a few minutes later, it exploded with a big noise. And I thought, why? You know, long time ago, I did the same thing. That time, I didn't broke the shell of the egg. I tried to make a boiled egg or hardened egg from the beginning, and you know, it exploded. Maybe a few years ago, or more than that, more than longer ago. But this time, since I broke the outside shell, so I thought it was okay. The only thing is the yellow part of the egg. It was not hardened yet. So while I was watching the egg turning in the range, and exploded with a big noise, and the door of the range opened, and well, my wife there, and what did you do? Why did you put the egg in the range? You did the same mistake long time ago. Why did you do that? And I said, you know, the outside shell is already broken. I thought it was okay. And, well, it was a great mess. And I tried to clean up with the tissues and the clothes, wet clothes, and 15 minutes later, I gave up. I cannot do that. And she said, my wife said, okay, I'm going to do that on behalf of you, but don't do that again. I said, okay, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. But meantime, I tried to find out why it exploded in the Google, and I found out the answer. Of course, the egg is very dangerous, but it said there is how do you say, the screen on around the egg and a yellow part of the egg. Other than egg, like sausage and the meat, you know, the chicken meat, there is a screen around the meat, there's kinmaku in Japanese. But anyway, all those things with the maku screen, then it keep the moisture inside, gradually because of the heat, gradually bocho, or then at certain time exploded. So anything it has the strong, how do you say, the strong and how do you say, I don't know, it's kimitsei no takai maku, the screen. Anyway, anything, any food which has those the screen and inside some moisture, then because of this moisture, it will explode, which is said the suijoki bakuhatsu. I don't know how to say it in English, but anyway, this suijoki bakuhatsu is very, very dangerous. Don't do that, according to that explanation. And I finally agreed. I finally understood the reason why even the outside of the egg is broken, but still the inside, the yellow part of the egg, there's the screen, and because of this screen, inside of the yellow part of the egg has the moisture, and because of this moisture, it will explode all of a sudden as suijoki bakuhatsu. And I said to my wife, at least I was lucky because if I stopped a little before explosion of that explosion, and if I try to eat the egg, then it will explode in front of my face. That is the worst thing. So I said, it is a fukochu no saiwai. It's a luckiness among the unfortunate case. I don't know how to say it. Anyway, that's what happened a few days ago.